Have people told you it's impossible to get a loan for MBBS in Russia? Well, they are wrong. SBI now offers education loan that cover everything you need for your medical studies in Russia. Hello guys, my name is Aman and I am one of the founding member here at GyanDhan. Today, we are excited to bring all our future doctors a loan product that can help you complete your education abroad. And yes, it's the SBI education loan for MBBS in Russia. Stick around to learn how SBI can help you turn your dream of becoming a doctor into reality. SBI, India's largest public sector bank, offers education loan with collateral. However, it's less preferred for non-collateral loans as the limit is only 7.5 lakh, which is often not enough for studying abroad. While many banks in India offer education loans, very few provide loans for MBBS in Russia, primarily because of the low course duration, which is typically 5 to 6 years. SBI, however, can provide you with an education loan specifically for studying MBBS in Russia. Most aspects of this loan are similar to SBI's existing loans for studying abroad, but let's break down each point in detail. The maximum loan amount you can get from SBI to study MBBS in Russia is up to 1 crore. That is a great option as it covers a wide range of expenses including tuition fee, accommodation, travel expenses, exam fees, and even the cost of books and other study materials. SBI's education loan is designed to take care of all your essential financial needs so you can focus on your medical studies without worrying about the cost. Now, as this is a collateral based loan, you will need to pledge collateral to secure it. However, the catch, due to the longer duration course compared to traditional 2 to 3 year programs, the value of the collateral must be roughly double the loan amount you are requesting. Let's break this down with a simple example. If you need a loan of 50 lakh, you need to pledge a property valued a little over 1 crore so to secure that 50 lakh loan. The interest rate for SBI's education loan starts at 11.15% for men and 10.65% for women. Women borrowers enjoy a 0.5% interest rate concession, bringing their rate down to 10.65%. Additionally, if you opt for the Rin Raksha insurance, you can receive a further 0.5% reduction, making the effective interest rate 10.65% for men and 10.15% for women. Under the Rin Raksha insurance, SBI offers two types of insurance coverage options to education loan borrowers: group credit life insurance and term life insurance. The group credit life insurance provides coverage against the outstanding loan amount in case of the borrower's demise, while the term life insurance provides coverage against the total sum assured. Now, coming to the moratorium period, you can get a moratorium period of course duration plus 6 months, and this period is completely interest free. This is a great benefit from SBI, especially considering that MBBS is a long duration course of 5 to 6 years. Additionally, the loan tenure can be extended up to 15 years. There is a requirement for margin money, but before we discuss how much that is, let's quickly understand what margin money is. Margin money is the portion of the total education cost that the borrower must self-finance, while the bank covers the rest through the loan. For SBI, this typically ranges from 10 to 15% for studying abroad, depending on your profile. In addition, the processing fee is 10,000 plus GST, which totals around 11,800. Besides this, there are a few other costs such as property valuation charges, which amount to 7,500. To be eligible for an SBI education loan, the applicant must be an Indian citizen and at least 18 years old at the time of application. The applicant should have secured admission to a recognized university or institution. A co-applicant is also required, typically a parent or legal guardian who must have a regular source of income and a good credit history. Additionally, the applicant may need to provide collateral, which can include residential property, buildings, or fixed deposit. While a university level exam will be required to get admissions, if you are prepared for NEET, it won't directly influence the loan process. However, it can create a favorable impression that you are a serious candidate, potentially increasing your chances of loan approval. To obtain an education loan from SBI for MBBS in Russia, certain essential documents are required. This include KYC documents of the applicant and co-applicant, past academic records, proof of admission, a statement of the cost of study, income proof for the co-applicant if applicable, bank account statements for the last 6 months, and property documents for collateral. While this is a general list, the exact documents may vary depending on your specific loan requirements. The process to begin your loan application with SBI is simple. First, visit the GyanDhan website or use the loan eligibility form in the description box below to check if you qualify for an SBI education loan for MBBS in Russia. Once confirmed, a GyanDhan education loan counselor will contact you to guide you through the application process and provide you with tailored checklist of documents. Next, you will need to gather and submit all the required documents, including academic and financial details. Ensure they are accurate and in line with SBI's requirement. SBI will then verify your application, conduct credit checks, review academic admission details, and assess your financial documents. Once all verifications are complete, you will receive a loan approval notification with the approved amount. If you are satisfied with the terms, you can sign the agreement to finalize the process and disburse the loan. Finally, how can GyanDhan assist you with an SBI education loan for MBBS in Russia? With our long-standing partnership with State Bank of India, we use our industry knowledge and strong relationships to make the loan process smoother for you. Our team helps you negotiate long terms, gather and submit documents through a customized checklist, and streamline the entire process to complete it in 15 to 20 days as opposed to usual 30 to 45 days if you are approaching the bank directly. Having assisted lakhs of students and disbursed over 8,000 crores in loans, GyanDhan uses its expertise to prevent potential issues that could affect your loan application, increasing your chances of approval. That's it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment with any questions you have. We will answer them and try to cover them in future videos.